Every 3D animator knows this exact feeling. You spend hours blocking out a cool action sequence. But when you hit play, your character looks like they're floating in space. Fixing this usually takes days of tweaking graph editors and crying over body mechanics. But what if I told you the difference between a rookie animation and a Hollywood-level stunt is now just a single button? Yeah, I didn't believe it either, but this software is quietly changing how indie devs and massive studios handle animation. And the craziest part? It's completely free to start using right now. So, what is this black magic? It's called Cascadeur. At its core, it's a standalone 3D animation software. But unlike Blender or Maya, Cascadeur is built entirely around AI and real-world physics. Using AutoPosing Smart Rig, you just move the main control points, and the AI automatically positions the rest of the body to create the most natural pose. Cascadeur introduces a powerful new AI tool that automatically generates smooth, natural animation between two poses, making your animation workflow faster and more intuitive than ever. With this new Inbetweening feature, seamless transitions are now just a click away. And it doesn't just linearly blend them like traditional software. It actually calculates the physical weight and biomechanics of the movement. Suddenly, that choppy, blocked-out sequence turns into a buttery smooth, physically accurate animation. What used to take half a day of tedious graph editor tweaking just took you exactly 3 seconds. But the crazy part isn't just the physics. It's how this software systematically eliminates every single annoying part of the 3D pipeline. Let's start with rigging. Normally a total nightmare, right? Here, you just drag and drop joints to generate a rig. Or, if you're using standard skeletons from Mixamo, MetaHumans, or Unreal Engine, it is literally a one-click setup. Once it's rigged, you don't even pose it normally. With AutoPosing, you just move a control point, and the AI automatically calculates how the rest of the body should follow. They even built dedicated intelligent controllers just for fingers. No more meticulously rotating 15 different knuckles just to make your character hold a cup. Copy, paste, 2 clicks. It retargets the animation instantly, even if the characters have completely different skeletal proportions. But here is where Cascadeur actually feels like a cheat code. Let's say you don't want to animate from scratch. You take a video of yourself doing a stunt and run it through their video mocap. Usually mocap data is baked. Every single frame is a keyframe, making it impossible to edit if it looks janky. But using their Animation Unbaking feature, Cascadeur analyzes the data and magically strips away the garbage. It selects the perfect keyframes and interpolation intervals, turning a baked, messy nightmare into a perfectly clean, editable timeline ready for you to tweak. It's like turning a baked cake back into its raw ingredients, just so you can change the flavor. At the end of the day, building an indie game or animating a 3D short film is an absolute marathon. Every hour you spend fighting foot sliding, baking mocap, or manually keyframing secondary motion is an hour. You aren't actually directing your project. Cascadeur isn't just an animation software. It essentially gives solo devs and independent creators an entire AAA animation department packed into a single tool. And the craziest part? You can get started and try it out completely for free. Look, AI isn't going to replace animators, but animators who use AI to skip the tedious, mind-numbing busy work. They are absolutely going to replace the ones who refuse to evolve. If you want to stop fighting with gravity and start actually creating, the link is down in the description. But I have to know, as an artist, do you think this level of AI physics assistance is cheating at animation? Or is it just the natural evolution of our tools? Let's debate it down in the comments.